Let's see how you can use the language learning app Busuu. You will receive a link similar to this. So, click on the link. Type in the email address given to you by LMA and then the password, also given to you by LMA. Click on the Login button. The first screen gives you Beginner 1. This is where you can change the level you study. Click on the down arrow next to Beginner 1 and you will see this screen. Here you can choose a level that may suit you better. But what if you're not sure of which level is best for you? At the end of each chapter, in each level, is a checkpoint. Jump to this, click on it, and start the quiz. If you get over 80%, that means you're ready for the next level. When you try a checkpoint but don't pass it, that's the right level for you. Move through each of the levels and your fluency will increase. When you get to the intermediate B1 to advanced C1 levels, you will experience native speaker level short videos and texts. Remember, a little every day takes you a long way.